Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into your AU bank account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in aubank.in. After that, at the top right corner you will find login button. Click on it. Now select which account you want to log in, either it's personal account or an corporate account. Click on it. Then type in your username and password and click on this option to select where do you want to get directly logged in. Now enter the CAPTCHA by taking the reference of this picture. If it is very hard for you to understand, click on this button and another CAPTCHA will be regenerated. You can also use a virtual keyboard to type in. Now click on this button and you will get logged into your AU bank account. Or if you have forgotten your username or customer ID, click on this link. Or if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instructions to get to your password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.